Hello, good afternoon to everybody. I'm here to vlog here in my condo unit here in at the back of SM Novaliches condo residences here, SMDC. So, come on and let's take a walk along here and to see you this place. As you can see, that is the playground where the children are playing. So and then here that's a swimming pool. So today is closed because they are going to clean this every Monday. So nobody's are swimming. There, as you see, it's a clean water. And there, so here, so this is the seat where the people are going to stand by and waiting for something. So then here. So this is the second swimming pool here. And then so there. This is a wide place of condominium outside here. So I think there's a 5 tower 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. There's a parking area and delivery area. Yeah. So there's a very big building. So there's a lot of residences here to live. The others are renting and the others are staycation. So that's all. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.